Hi, I'm Brandon Wagner here for Crazy Color. This is Mikey Frere, Crazy Color Ambassador. This episode we're going to be discussing home care and how to prevent fade.
There's a few things clients can do to maintain their vibrant colors at home. The most important thing is to wash your hair as little as possible. Dry shampoo is going to be your best friend.
With any direct dye, the color molecule sits on the outer layer of the cuticle, so every time that you wash, the color will fade. When you do wash, use a gentle sulfate and paraben-free shampoo and focus on cleansing the root and avoid scrubbing the mids and the ends. Make sure to use cool water as it seals on the cuticle and helps keep the color bright and shiny.
Try to avoid swimming in pools if you can, or put a deep conditioning treatment all over your hair to act as a barrier to help reduce fading. You can always use a color conditioner at home to give your faded fashion colors fresh vibrancy.
We have 2 home hair care products for you to use. We have No Yellow Shampoo. The salt and sulfate-free formula is free of harmful chemicals to ensure the healthiest results after each wash. And Crazy Color Rainbow Care is a deep conditioner to help maintain the strength, shine, and suppleness of bleached and colored hair.
Always remember the following. Wash hair with cold water. Warm water is the enemy. Shampoo as little as possible. Semi-permanents will lose color after each wash, so avoid overwashing your hair. No sunbathing. Too much direct sunlight will strip all that crazy color right out. Avoid swimming. Chlorine will strip the life and color from your hair, so avoid doing it. And high heat styling. Try not to use high heat styling if possible. Use a styling tool with heat control and go all the way down. Also, look up some no heat styling tips for longest results.
We recommend coming to the salon every 6 weeks to get your color refreshed to maintain maximum vibrancy.
We hope this has been some good insight into how to maintain your color at home. Subscribe to our channel to keep up to date on all the latest information.